A delivery driver got an order during the worst blizzard of the year. The elderly woman on the phone sounded weak, almost desperate. He could have just left the food at her door. It was dangerous outside, and he had other deliveries waiting, but something in her voice made him knock and check on her. She'd been trapped on her bathroom floor for 3 days, dehydrated, hypothermic, hours from death. He called 911 and stayed until paramedics arrived. Her family was so grateful they started a scholarship fund that paid for his entire nursing degree. One moment of caring changed 2 lives forever.